every hurricane that comes, there comes a destruction of the reefs.
Climate vulnerability in the Caribbean is a serious challenge, but one that nature can help to address.
The Resilient Islands program uses climate-smart approaches, including nature-based solutions to reduce disaster risk while increasing coastal resilience to protect communities in Jamaica, Grenada, and the Dominican Republic.
TNC, IFRC and its national societies have joined forces in a collaborative alliance to work on a significant project aimed at creating positive impact in the community. We work together with communities and governments to facilitate conversations, share scientific research findings, and provide recommendations that can shape policies and create an enabling environment for sustainable initiatives.
Working within the mangrove ecosystem is a critical part of any risk reduction efforts.
It's so interesting that we've had mangroves planted by school kids, and 2 years after, the children are coming back to the same site and like, oh my goodness, I planted this mangrove, it is even taller than I am.
Cuando no hay árboles, ese filtro natural se rompe y por eso es que ocurren inundaciones bruscas. Inmediatamente nosotros reforestemos el área, eso va a cambiar.
En la cuenca se están estableciendo dos sistemas de producción. Uno agroforestal, que es el que tenemos con la siembra de cacao y naranja, el cual produce beneficios para los propietarios. Y otro sistema silvopastoril, que es la combinación de árboles frutales con forraje, que va en beneficio para la alimentación del ganado.
I'd love for them to become a model community, a community that is self-sufficient. Kids could grow up and learn and respect their environment.
We want a complete approach where government and civil society and everyone recognizes the value of that nature has.
It's like a scalable model that could be replicated across all Caribbean countries.
We know these solutions are working, number one, because they were developed for the community, by the community.
As we go along, getting more educated into the ecosystem, it will also help us to adapt and to change and to rearrange our life and our livelihood for the future to come.
By empowering and engaging communities and governments with planning tools, policies, and a portfolio of solutions, TNC and IFRC are contributing to reducing vulnerability and enhancing climate resilience to protect and preserve the Caribbean islands.